Hello, I am Dr. Satish Pattan Shetty. I am a consultant laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon working in Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad area. I am currently working in 7 Orange Hospital, which is a multi-specialty hospital based in Chinchwad. I am practicing in last 15 years now, and I am more specialized in laparoscopic surgeries, that is surgery through keyhole surgery with very minimal surgical access, in which the patient's post-operative pain is very less, patient is walking the same day or the next day, and patient's discharge is earlier. I am also specialized in obesity surgery, that is also known as bariatric surgery. So I shall tell you more about bariatric surgery today because as you know, obesity is a lifestyle disease. Obesity is increasing all over the world. Obesity is being labeled by World Health Organization, that is WHO, as a disease because it is the main cause for almost more than 55 diseases, mainly type 2 diabetes, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, that is your lipids or cholesterol becomes high. It is a main cause for heart disease. It is a main cause for obstructive sleep apnea, in which you do a lot of snoring at night. That's why your sleep is disturbed. That's why you tend to sleep more in the daytime. It's a major cause. Obesity is a major cause for knee pain, back pain. That's why there are, and it's also a major cause for infertility in males as well as females. So obesity is the mother of all diseases. So if we control obesity, your all other diseases will also be under control. Now, how do we control obesity? As we all know, it's a lifestyle disease which is increasingly getting very common, mostly in urban areas, that is in cities. It is mostly because we are tending to a sedentary lifestyle. We are tending to more sit on a couch and do all the things such as remote, mobile, and all those things. That's why obesity is increasing. How do we deal with it? We first try to control our lifestyle, change our lifestyle in which the stress is less, we sleep at proper time, eat at proper time. Then becomes the nutrition part. That is, you should decrease the number of the content of carbohydrates, increase the content of proteins in your diet, decrease outside partying or with alcohol and smoking. You should decrease a lot. If you control all these lifestyle factors, you shall be able to control obesity. But with all these lifestyle factors, even if you are not able to control obesity, there are methods in which we shall, as an obesity expert, try to help you in controlling this obesity, in which there are medicines or some injections, or we can do an endoscopic treatment in which we put in a stomach balloon, in which we put in an intragastric balloon through endoscopy, which limits our diet, controls our diet, and our obesity is controlled. Even with all these diet, exercise, and endoscopy factors, if the obesity is not under control, then we should think of bariatric surgery, that is obesity surgery, in which the stomach size is reduced and the intestine is joined up through laparoscopy, that is minimal access, which is a very 4 to 5 small holes, just a 1 hour procedure, and patient is discharged within 3 days. This is known as sleeve gastrectomy or gastric bypass. The procedure depends on the profile of the patient, depends on the volume eating of the patient, whether the patient is eating more or the patient is eating less. It also depends whether the patient has diabetes. It also depends whether the patient has acidity problems or reflux problems. So the type of procedure depends on the patient's profile. After doing this surgery, very surprisingly, the sugar gets controlled. The diabetes comes under control the very next day. That's why bariatric surgery is also known as metabolic surgery, because it is controlling the metabolism or changing the metabolism of the body so that the sugar gets controlled, diabetes goes off, patient goes into a diabetes reversal, which is kind of a miracle for the patient. Almost in so many patients who are taking insulin for such a long time, the diabetes gets controlled. But it is more useful for patients in which diabetes is associated with obesity. So it is not good for patients who are diabetes but thin diabetics. It is good for obese diabetics who are fat as well as diabetic. That's why it is kind of a cure for those patients who are diabetic and obese. Bariatric surgery is strongly recommended in those patients. I am also trained well in laparoscopic hernia surgeries because, as you all know, hernia is a very common disease and this is very commonly treated with open surgery all over the world. But with the advent of laparoscopic surgery, that is the advent of minimal access surgeries, through very small holes we can do this surgery. Patient's post-operative pain is less. We can put in a larger mesh through laparoscopy means, which can be done either through intra-abdominal route or an extraperitoneal route, which is very safe for the patients. The chance of recurrence are less with laparoscopy. The patient's post-operative pain is less. Patients walk the next day and they are able to get to normal life within very few days. Thank you.